The Zion Evangelical Lutheran Church is a ghost church. Once a populated place of worship for German immigrants, today the church's spirit has left it. The people it once housed have moved on. Now, it is a shell of its former self, serving no other purpose than to allow us to remember and share in its space for just a little longer. Fire and wind destroyed most of the four walls. The crucifix, badly burned, still hangs as it did for many years. So why is it that to some who pass by, the church appears fully functional? Crowds gather at the wooden doors. Voices of the choir echo from within. The bell in the tower clangs as it hasn't in decades. Stranger still, to some in the area, the church disappears altogether, except for the crucifix, which always hangs suspended in the air. Church or none.